It's day 6 on the construction site here in rural Takayo, where the Round Square Leadership Training Team is building a weaving center for rural women. Starting from scratch, we've now got walls up, walls being rendered, and the first roof support is going on. Team has been hard at work the past few days erecting this cement structure. There's part of our hot and tired team right there. And we have a hard-working doctor on our team who is always pumping the water for the cement mixing. Deputy Leader Rod Somerton, Hiram and his construction team, and then the hard-working cement mixing department. And then we have another department busy at work, making a beautiful rock garden on the outside front of the weaving center. And as you can see, one of the long side walls are being carved and rendered. So day 6 of the Round Square Adult Leadership Training Team, hard at work building a weaving center in rural Takayo, Cambodia.